To my self-employed friends that are buying a house, the number one piece of advice I can give you is take the money for the transaction, the down payment, the closing cost, and if any of that is in your business account, move it to a personal account. I'm a loan officer. I've been doing this for 20 some years. I help people buy houses. I help people refinance. And when you leave money in a business account, it opens up all kinds of questions. During the approval process, the underwriter is going to want to prove where the down payment and closing cost is coming from. And you're going to have to provide 30 days, 60 days, maybe 90 days of bank statements to prove that. But when the underwriter gets those bank statements, they're going to underwrite the bank statements. They're going to see a bunch of deposits. Maybe you have hundreds of deposits. There's going to be a lot of explaining to do. Maybe you have some withdrawals. You're going to be explaining that. Maybe you have some reoccurring liabilities you're going to end up having to talk about. Maybe when they look at the bank statements, they start thinking to themselves, when you take this money out of the business, this is also the business that we're using to qualify you income. Can this business continue to pay income? You know what? We're going to want a letter from a CPA that says taking all this money out is not negatively going to affect the business. Maybe they say, well, do you have access to this money? Can we get some type of proof that you have access, that this can actually be your money to use for purchasing a house? Maybe if it's a larger business, they say, you know what, we want a copy of the minutes to see where whoever was in control of the business, maybe the board, has approved you taking this money out. There's a ton of questions when you take down payment and closing cost money from a business. If you move it into your personal account, they underwrite the income, and that's it. You avoid all that grief. Number one piece of advice to self-employed people: don't have the down payment and closing cost money in a business account. Put it in a personal account as soon as you can.